Jakes in St. Elizabeth, something of a treasure, not your usual run-of-the-mill resort. It's got character and visitors enjoy its low-key vibe. Sadly, Jakes was badly damaged by the hurricane.
Sun is shining, the weather is sweet. The rescue, here
I am. Jakes in better days. Rustic bohemian getaway on windswept Treasure Beach. A magical place, far off the beaten path, but hard to leave. A sense of distance from the hurly-burly, and home to Calabash, an international literary gathering that's only grown in prestige since its first run in 2001. Jakes also launching a food, rum and reggae festival. All that now off the cards. And Jakes, like most of St. Elizabeth, damaged beyond immediate repair. A scene of destruction. No guests in residence in the lead up to Melissa, and none likely for a long time to come, which is bad news for Davian Dennis. Like many others working here, he's fond of Jakes and likes his job as a villa caretaker.
The sea was over in the pool. All debris was washed up to Jakes' front decks. It was a total disaster. We'd have to probably look job elsewhere until or try to get this place back up and running. I don't know how it's going to be, but it's going to be crazy to actually earn money going forward.
And farming also is wiped out.
Farming is wiped out. All crops are actually down. The fruit basket is totally down right at the moment, wiped out.
So your big concern right now is?
Surviving. I mean, the children want food or stuff like that, and you can actually go to actually so find it to get it. So it's going to be crazy. So it's really like sustaining, I mean, our family going forward. It's crazy.
It's unbelievable. We never have one like this, ever, never. I've been through a lot. I've never been through one like this, never.
Also passing through Jakes Wednesday was longtime fisherman Roy Clark. Here's a familiar reaction to what's happened at Jakes and what continues to unfold in places like Black River, shock and disbelief in the aftermath, and media painting a grim picture before the storm hit.
The worst storm in more than 90 years on planet Earth.
First thing them say, go and come right into Treasure Beach. That is more than scary. That is death to all of us. The way them say it is like nobody going to survive on this end. So that, talking about scared, it was more than scary.
But look around, you know, what's going to be the immediate impact in terms of the economic life of St. Elizabeth?
First thing first, there's no fishing, there's no farming, there's no tourists, nothing, absolutely nothing. And this thing don't come back by night or by day. This thing is months and months and months away. What's going to happen? Nobody knows. There's no more Jakes right now. All these hotels, I mean, not really hotel, guest houses, I should say, hire a lot of people into the beach. Whole lot. They do the gardening and they do the cooking. All that gone because there's no guest house. All the roof them gone. So where's the who going to employ you? To do what? As far as I'm concerned, no fish, no tourists, no farming. The farming done. I mean, done. I am used to do deep sea fishing. Now I am doing local. Local mean you don't have to go on the picture bank.
And that's gone now?
Everything gone. I mean, everything gone. You can't even push the boat down on the beach because there's no beach. Where used to be sand is pure stone. You cannot push off your boat. You cannot go no way. It's stuck. It's 100% stuck. And this thing going to take months just to clean up and to bring back tourists in this island. It's unbelievable. Believe me, sir, it's unbelievable.
In the meantime, no writing off Jakes. This from Justine Hensel, whose family owned the property.
Treasure Beach has been hit hard, especially the coastal properties. All the structures along the seaside were battered by the storm surge from Melissa. But Treasure Beach is a resilient community. We've rebuilt before, and we will rebuild again.